Okay, that's silver priced in US dollars. Silver run up as I suspected it might do this. I told you this could turn into an AB as it refused to break substantially under this level, and I think that the best interpretation now is to take it as an ABC, meaning that this is corrective to the downdraft, to the drop that we have seen here. So that's going to be taken as 1, that's potentially 2. And that comes after another possible 1-2 that we detected here. Okay, 1-2 AB. What I wouldn't like at this point in going along with this interpretation, I wouldn't like to see it building a base here. That will be too much strength and might signal that I have to relabel what I've done here. Yes, it's possible that if we do see stabilization here above the 0.618, in fact it's signaling that it's going back down. That will not necessarily mean a huge bull market coming in silver right now. It could be that in fact my second wave will be is not ended here, it is still ongoing. So pay attention. If it starts building a base above 16.9, that's not good for the shorts, of course. That's not good. I think it is telling us there is trouble on the horizon for the shorts, certainly short term. But if it does sink back under this line, it goes back towards the 16.4. Okay, so essentially I think it is confirming we are in an ABC situation and likely further deterioration could be coming. Now there is one thing we have to pay attention to is we are expecting quite a bit of sideways price action in the forex market in the coming week. Yeah, we don't expect some serious impulse wave to emerge. So it's going to be, if you like, not terribly eventful week in the forex market in the major pairs that we are following. So I tend to think that that could lead to this. It could lead to, in fact, an extended second wave, with this being an ABC, and then down it goes into an ABC, which would be an X, and then another ABC. And only then it might be ready to give us that CS move that will break 16. So that is my thinking currently concerning silver. Here's gold, priced in US dollars, that's the daily scale. Gold, believe it or not, also delivered what could be a perfect ABC here. Yes, if I go down with this being 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I've got my first leg sitting right on the 200 moving average, got a lot of support from the horizontal, from the rising line and the 200, but it's finding it difficult to make headway on the upside here against the 50 moving average and 21 coming down. And it had a perfect reversal day here, as you can see. On the daily scale, as far as I can see, gold could be heading back to test the floor at just about 1,303, 1,304. And do not assume that because we have an ABC complete that this is necessarily coming. It could happen, but what I've just explained concerning silver could also take place here. So be on your guard. If you are a bear and you think we're going to have an easy sail right through, well, maybe not quite. Maybe we're going to have another ABC. So that's going to be an ABC X, ABC, and perhaps then it's ready to give us that big drop. So that is the overall view for gold on the daily scale. It should not surprise you that I'm a bit hesitant to forecast a big break right away, because look at the level of support that we have seen in the past in this zone at around 1305, 1310. Look, this has been support for quite a few months, so I think it's just common sense to assume that there is still a lot of support in this zone, and it will take a lot of work, as it were, yeah, a lot of work, backing and feelings, sideways price action, etc., to tire the bulls, to tire the bulls until they give up on that support level here and just let go, and it's going to break. Let's have a look at the 60 minutes. Okay, my 60 minutes view of the correction that started right here. He's taking this as an ABC. That's an X that was possible in an alternative wave count, but we don't need it right now, so I'll take it away. That's an A, that's a B, that's a C, so that's taken as an A. That's an A, that's a B, that's a C, that's taken as a B. Okay, and I'm going up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Came down. What would really strengthen my reading here of the ABC, yeah, could really confirm it if we get a thing like that and it breaks under 1312. In my opinion, if we get anything like that breaking through the mid-range under 1312, we are solidly dealing with an ABC behind us. And as I said, this is not a guarantee and a free pass to a huge break right now. No, it could come back, so pay attention. It could be a situation in the next week or so that you just have to trade in the zone here between 1328 or so, let's say 1326 to 1304. That is the trading range that you should consider for your operations in the coming week, especially if you are a short-term trader. Okay, any bounce here towards 1323 on the 15-minute scale and a break back under 1317 is a signal for you that is likely to continue lower. Okay, this remains critical level, very short term. Okay, very short term for the wave count that I'm using. This is an important level, so watch 1326.